Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to easily hide no index PDF files in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are going to hide our PDF file from search engines. So we are in WordPress dashboard and we are going to add code in .htaccess file. Now go to hosting. So we are in htaccess file. Now we are going to add code. Now paste, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. You see file and then you see address set, x report tag, no index, no follow, and then we edit .pdf file. So by using this code we are going to block search engine to index our PDF files in our WordPress website, and then click on save changes. Now saving .htaccess file, and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.